Hello, welcome to our tutorial on booking a car rental with RentGo.my. Whether you're planning a road trip or need a temporary ride, RentGo.my makes it easy. Let's dive into the process. Step 1. Visit RentGo.my. First, open your web browser and go to RentGo.my. Step 2. Choose your location and dates. On the homepage, select your rental location and the dates you need the car. Click Search to see available options. Step 3. Browse car options. Browse through the list of available cars. You can filter by type, brand, or features to find the perfect match for your needs. Step 4. Select a car. Once you find the right car, click on it to view details. Check specification, rental terms, and any information provided by RentGo.my. Step 5. Review rental details. Review the rental details including the total costs, any additional fees, and the cancellation policy. Make sure everything aligns with your preference. Step 6. Add extras. If you need additional features like GPS or child seats, you can add them during the booking process. Adjust your reservation accordingly. Step 7. Log in or sign up. To proceed with the booking, you may need to log in or sign up for a RentGo.my account. This ensures a smooth and secure transaction. Step 8. Enter personal information. Fill in your personal details, including your name, contact information, and any other required fields. Double-check the information for accuracy. Step 9. Next, choose your preferred payment method and enter the necessary payment details. Review the payment summary and click Confirm to proceed. Step 10. Confirmation. Congratulations! You've successfully booked a car with RentGo.my. Take note of the booking confirmation details, and you're all set for your upcoming adventure. Conclusion. And there you have it. Booking a car rented on RentGo.my is quick and easy. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to RentGo.my customer support. Safe travels!